Here's a step-by-step tutorial to troubleshoot and resolve email delays or outages on an on-premises email server, especially when caused by spam floods or mail queue buildup. Step-by-step guide to resolve email server problems. 1. Verify the issue. Check user complaints or help desk tickets for delay in sending receiving emails, bouncebacks or NDRs, total email service outage, test email flow, send test emails internally and externally. Check whether mail is stuck in the queue viewer or mail logs. 1. Check server health. Open Exchange Management Shell or Exchange Admin Center. Run Get Server Health. Identity, your server name. Use Performance Monitor and Task Manager to check CPU and RAM usage, disk I/O, network throughput. 1. Inspect Mail Queues. Launch Queue. Viewer, found under Exchange Toolbox. Mail Flow Tools. Look for queues with large numbers of messages. Status like Retry or Suspended. Check message properties for error codes. Common causes: DNS resolution failure, connection timeouts. Spam flood is increasing rapidly. 1. Clear spam floods or malicious emails. Check for signs of abuse. Numerous outbound emails from a single mailbox. Unexpected volume from internal IPs. Run Get Message Tracking Log. Start Get Date, Add Hours, -1. Vertical bar group object sender. If a user is compromised, disable their account immediately. Change credentials and scan for malware. 1. Enable or adjust spam filters. Use built-in Exchange anti-spam agents or configure Edge transport roles. On Edge or Hub transport, get content filter config vertical bar, FL enabled, action, ensure, sender filter and recipient filter are enabled. Block known spam domains IPs. To suspend a queue, PowerShell copy edit suspend queue. Identity, your server unreachable. To remove spam messages, identify messages by subject or sender using PowerShell copy edit get message, queue, your server queue name vertical bar, where object $_ subject like, then delete PowerShell copy edit remove message, filter, subject like. With NDR false mail queues and logs may consume disk space. Check CT drive or dedicated transport folder for log files, for example log BLG. Large QDB files use PowerShell copy edit get queue database path. Move or purge unnecessary files carefully. Ensure MX records, smart host settings, and DNS forwarders are working. Run PowerShell copy edit resolve DNS name google.com test SMT connectivity test mail flow. Check Exchange send connector, proper DNS usage or smart host setup, proper limits and authentication. Apply rate limits or throttling to prevent future spam abuse. Use transport rules or message throttling policies. PowerShell copy edit set mailbox. Identity user at example.com. Recipient limits 50. Configure message rate limits per user or IP. If queues are cleared or no messages are being processed. PowerShell copy edit restart service EMS Exchange transport restart service EMS Exchange transport log search. Only do this during off-peak hours if possible. Use Event Viewer, application and system logs. Set up alerts for queue growth, disk space, or CPU spikes. Document root causes, steps taken, and user impact. Optional, strengthen future protection. Enable SMTP authentication, TLS encryption, and rate controls. Use DKIM, SPF, and DMARC for outbound email security. Consider a cloud-based email gateway, for example Proofpoint, Mimecast, Microsoft Defender, to filter spam before it reaches Exchange.